Hi guys, today we're gonna test the car batteries uh, with the digital multimeter with this guy. So what are you guys gonna do? First I would like to tell you that this battery is a good battery. Still we're gonna test it, and the the red, this is red, the goes red side of battery terminal. The other ones goes exactly this black battery terminal. Just stick there or touch it. Sorry, or touch it there. See, as you see the number 12.50. It should be around the 1265, the best. Yeah, but 1250 still good. Yeah, when this is the good battery, I didn't start it yet, so which means that this is good battery. Now we're gonna try the bad one now. Let's go and try. Yeah, this is the battery that it's not starting my car, and we're gonna see that what's the measure with the multimeter. To put the red ones, right here. Yeah, and the black is gonna go to black. It's right here. You can leave it like this, and let's check. See, as you see, 9.77. Yeah, this is not the good result. It should be 12.65. This battery doesn't start at all, but I have to jump this battery, and yeah, so you guys now you know that that the good battery is the number is 12.65 or 70. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe. Bye.